Hey guys, Todd from COSN coming at you again today. Hey, today I just want to go over a really quick subject. I know a couple other channels have hit on this, especially Jarhead 6. You know, you need to get out there and you need to practice with your firearms. If you carry one every day, or if you have one in your everyday carry, or you get home set up, you know, you need to practice with that gear, understand your gear, refine it. Also your firearm, you know, you need to understand that. Reloads, of course, I can't do very many reloads out here in the snow, but I can do some tactical moves. And that brings another subject. I am no expert. I've been around firearms for a very long time, but I'm not an instructor, nor am I an expert. Just want to make that perfectly clear. So my biggest thing I could put to you guys is get out there and practice. If you don't know how, go find an instructor and get some lessons and go out there and understand your firearms. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.